everyone, welcome to Interior Trends. Today we are diving into the world of modern outdoor garden design that will transform your space into a welcoming heaven. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these ideas will surely inspire you. So let's jump right in. The first step is creating a modern outdoor garden is thoughtful planning. Consider the layout, sunlight and the overall ambience you want to achieve. Sketch out your ideas and create a zones for dining, relaxation and greenery. Choose plants that not only thrive in your climate but also bring a contemporary feel. Think succulents, ornament grasses, and architectural plant that add structure to your garden. These not only look stunning but also requires minimal maintenance. Now let's talk about furniture. Option for sleek minimalist design that complement the overall aesthetic from lounge chair to dining sets. Modern outdoor furniture enhances both comfort and style. Lighting plays a crucial role to create a welcoming atmosphere. Integrate LED lights, string lights, or even solar powered lanterns to add a touch of warmth during the evening. It not only enhances the visual appeal but also extends the usability of your outdoor space. Consider incorporating a water feature for the extra touch of tranquility. Modern fountains or sleek water walls can elevate the ambience, creating a soothing background noise that enhances the overall experience. Let's not forget sustainability. Embrace eco friendly practices by using recycled material for furniture, opting for native plants, or implementing water saving irrigation systems. It's not only good for the environment but also add a conscious touch to your garden. Infuse your garden with personality by incorporating outdoor art and sculptures. Whether it's a statement piece or subtle essence art can add a unique touch and become a conversation starter in your outdoor space. Maximize space and bring a modern touch by introducing vertical gardens. These living walls not only add a lush green backdrop but also serves as a creative solution for small spaces, turning them into vibrant, eye-catchy features. Embrace technology in your garden with smart devices from automated irrigation system to smart plant sensors. These innovations can help you maintain your garden efficiently and ensures your plants receive the care they need. Keep your outdoor space dynamic by embracing season transformation. Switch up the color palette, add seasonal flowers, and incorporate festive decorations to give your garden a fresh, ever changing look throughout the year. As we wrap up our exploration of modern outdoor garden design ideas, I hope you are all feeling inspired to embark on your own gardening journey. Don't be afraid to get creative, mix elements, and make it truly yours. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or additional ideas in the comments below. Until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.